After filling out the personal details, you will be taken to the booking page, but before that we're going to edit your record. In the top bar on the right you will see a tab with your name. Click on it and then select Edit. You will now see the data you typed in before. You can now modify any field. Make sure your date of birth and phone number are correct, as they will be required to log in to your personal page again. Remember, the format for date of birth is year-month-day. To avoid any errors, we recommend you use the drop-down calendar. After saving your data, you will be taken to the booking page, which you will immediately see every time you log in. You can now see in the bar at the top the following tabs: Booking, where you can see the remaining days, which is the number of days to end your pilgrimage on the application. Reservations, this is the page where you are now and which you will use the most. Then we can see Show Route. On this page you can see the route with the villages where you may find shelter in one form or another. Then with the green circle, that will display our current position. Right now it shows that we are in Madrid, but let us suppose that we are somewhere else on the way. Now when we select a nearby population, we shall see the distance in kilometers. Once you have decided on the population where you want to make a reservation, click on Search. Let's see an example with a population that is not on the Pilgrims Way and only has fictitious lodgings for the purpose of this demo. We select Vitoria and click on Search. The lodgings for Vitoria will be displayed. You can find two groups of lodgings, the ones you can book and the ones you can't. The ones that can't be booked are displayed with a grey background. You will see the following information: name, number of beds, phone numbers and any additional services. The ones that can be booked are displayed with a white background. You will also be able to see if they are a shelter or bed and breakfast, the number of remaining free beds and the last update. It's very important that this page appears updated in the present year. If it isn't, then there may be significant differences between the information displayed and the lodging's real information. Bed and breakfast. In those cases where bed and breakfast is displayed, the price includes breakfast. With the icons, you can also see any additional services available. Hover your mouse pointer over the icons to read a brief explanation of each. If the lodging is complete, no option for booking will appear. Now the icon for hostel. If the first icon is for a hostel, the letter H inside a seashell, this means that apart from being a shelter, there are also rooms with beds available. In this case, you can get further information by clicking on the icon for special characteristics, which is a plus sign. You will now see pricing, restaurant, meals, etc. Now we have the rating in seashells. Overall rating of the shelter. This shows the ratings supplied by other pilgrims that have stayed there previously. Clicking on the seashells, you will see the rating for beds, customer service and bathrooms. Here you can access the photo gallery of the shelter, as well as a link to its website and a location map supplied by Google. And now we can see the reservation limit. Below the reservation tab, you will see the time limit for your arrival. Once you've decided the shelter where you want to stay, click on the reservation tab and you will be taken to another page where you will be asked to confirm your booking. On confirming, your reservation will be complete and you will now only see its details: dates of reservation, name of lodging, address, phone number, date and time limit, and last of all a tab for cancellations. If you cancel your reservation, you will be taken back to the initial reservation page where you can start again for another booking. FAQs, where you can find the most frequent questions and answers. Donation. This web is a free service. Please contribute to keeping it alive by making a small donation according to your level of satisfaction with the help you received. Thank you. We hope this website will make your pilgrimage more comfortable. As we say in Spanish, buen camino.